And
What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be cooking using
an easy bake oven.
Using the Easy Bake Oven. Okay, so this whole time I thought the Easy Bake Oven is actually an Easy Bake Oven. This is how it works. The Easy Bake Oven comes with a packet of poop. What you want to do is pour the poop solution into a... Is it a brownie? It's a poo-poo brownie. Now we're gonna see if this Easy Bake Oven can easy bake this
potato.
Alright everybody, after 12 minutes, let's check up on this corn dog.
Yeah. What?
Potato.
Yep, that's spaghetti. It tastes like
potato.
So, wow. Alright guys, let's try one last thing. I have here some chicken. Put this in here. There you go. Now let's turn this machine on. The thing is, it's stuck. You will not believe what's in here. Rotisserie!
Potato.
How did you even get that? What? Is it even that good? Here we go, hold on.
It's literally embarrassing how bad it is.
Potato.
Easy Bake Oven, I give you a 10 out of 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 10. It's I hope you guys enjoyed today's Easy Bake Oven video.
Potato.